my friend, and welcome to part 6 of the October Call 2021. The October Call is a amigurumi call hosted by me, Veronica, the crochet designer and craft teacher behind Garnknuten. If you want to know more about this call and how to join, click on the link down below or go to garnknuten.com/octobercall2021. In this video, I will show you how to crochet the eyes for our secret amigurumi. I bet you know by now what we are making, so put your guesses in the comment section down below. If you prefer to follow a written step-by-step pattern, you'll find a link to the PDF in the description. To be able to make these eyes, you need to know how to crochet a magic circle, single crochets, increases, and slip stitches. Okay, I think that was everything. Let's start crocheting. Okay, so let's start off with a magic circle with 8 single crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And I like to crochet my eyes with a seam and not with a spiral because I don't want a bump in the middle of my eye. So I will end each row with a slip stitch and a chain. So now we are ready to go on with the next row. For the second row, we are going to increase 8 times until we have 16 stitches. So 1 increase, 2 increase, and so on. So now we have 16 stitches and I will end my row with a slip stitch in the first stitch and a chain. So for the third and the last row of our eye, we are crocheting 1 single crochet and 1 increase. So 1 single crochet in the same stitch as we did the slip stitch, and then just a increase, and then a slip stitch, no sorry, a single crochet and a increase until we have 24 stitches. Yes, and now we just end the row. No, we cut off the yarn and then we are going to end with a invisible join. So just cut off the yarn but save a bit so that you have something to attach the eye to the head with. Then we're going to wave in the other yarn. This one we just pull through and pull the middle part super tight so we don't get a hole in our eye. I actually like to wave in the ends on the right side because I think it's easier to see where the stitches go, so that's why I move the yarn to the front side. Okay, so the last thing we are going to do is to crochet the slip stitches on the eye, and you can make between 8 to 12 stitches depending on your like and preference. So on this eye I have made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I will try and make the same amount on the second eye. So let's start somewhere here and pull through the yarn like this. And now we just slip stitch in between the second and the third row. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. And then we cut the yarn. This is like the world's most awful pair of scissors, obviously. Okay, so yeah, now we just move our end to the back, and then I tie the two black ends together and cut off the extra yarn. And there we have it. One eye and a second eye. So now you just have to crochet one more of these and you'll have a pair. Thank you so much for watching and crocheting together with me. So far we have only one part left, guys. Let me know in the comments what you think we are making. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!